Hey Chopstars, today's video is a little different. I met one of our subscribers, a lovely mom, and she shared her worries with me. Her baby was looking so malnourished, so right here, outdoors, outside, we quickly grabbed a few ingredients we can find around us and I showed her how to make this quick weight gain smoothie. And because I know so many mothers can benefit from this as well, I decided to make a video and share it with you too. This is the reason why you are seeing a different setting, a different environment entirely. So let's get right into it. And you want to get your child chubby, this recipe is for you. The list of ingredients I have here are the Chubby butter. This is specifically made for weight gain for babies who are on the slim side. I have my probiotic full cream yogurt. I have my banana, just a finger of banana is good to go. I have my apple. Now, when you want to work for weight gain, if you want to do smoothie for weight gain, the red apple is preferable because it is higher in calorie. But in the absence of red apple, we're going to use the green apple. So the green apple is available and that is what we'll use for the video. And now for the equipment, the kitchen utensils I use, I have my blender. It has to be washed and it has to be neat. Then I have my spatula. This is for scooping out the puree after making. I have my knife. I have my grater. Then I have my dishing bowl. And I have my bowl for washing my hands. We're going to dive into the video right away. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining as well. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you get notification each time I post a new video. So guys, let's dive into the recipe for today. For safety purposes, I'm going to wash my hands. That is the first thing you do when you want to start making baby meals. The next thing I'm going to do now is to peel off the bananas. Gently cut it into a bowl. After cutting your banana, so the next thing you're going to do is to scrape off the skin of the apple. So we use this to scrape it off. So I am done scraping the skin of the apple. Now I'm chopping them in cubes to make it easier for blending. So here I have my apple and my banana. I'm going to pour it into the blender so that it would blend with the yogurt. That's the next step I would do. I'm going to be setting this aside for now because we are done using that. This is the skin and this is the peel of the banana. So here we have our fruits. It will be going into the blender right away. For ease of blending, we're going to pour in our probiotic weight gain yogurt. Please, when you want to make yogurt smoothie for your baby and it's specifically for weight gain, please use full cream weight gain yogurt. It comes in Greek, it comes in ordinary yogurt, so whichever one you can find, but Greek is better, Greek is richer. So we're going to pour it into the blender. Cover and you blend on high speed. So when this is blending, before it is finally done, you add in your Chubby butter. This is a product of Maki. So you stir very well before adding. This is a combination of 7 fruits and seed, so it is very high in calories, it is very high on fat. So you stir and add just a teaspoon of it. go. It's ready. So guys, I'm done blending the banana, yogurt and apple, and this is what we have. So this is the end product of the weight gain smoothie. So this smoothie here is packed with calories, it's packed with healthy minerals and vitamins. This is a warm smoothie. If you want it cold, or your baby like cold smoothie, you can just refrigerate this. But if your baby wants, if you feed the baby with warm food or warm smoothie, this is the best to go with. It can be fed from 6 months till 5 years, in fact till adult, so you don't have a problem with this anymore. So here it is. It looks very yummy. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I'm sure you enjoyed this very simple recipe. If you like this video, kindly give me a giant thumbs up, and if you have anything to say about this video, any comments, any question about this particular recipe, do well to ask me on the comment section, and I'll be there to provide answers for every question. With that, we have come to the end of today's recipe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.